So I have the Samsung Smart TV, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to set up a workout setup on this TV. And this is for a home workout setup. So before you can get started, you need to have linked your TV to your phone via the SmartThings application. So for most Samsung phones, the app comes pre-installed on the phone. If you have a different kind of Android phone, then you might need to go ahead and install the SmartThings app and then add your TV. Now I have a whole video on how to do that. But once you do that and you've set everything up and you can see your TV on the SmartThings app, then you're ready to go. So what you need to do is simply go to your TV and then go to connected devices, and then you want to scroll and find camera experience. So select that. Now once you're on this page, as you can see, you can either use a USB camera, which is a traditional or a conventional webcam, or you can use a mobile camera. Now since you've already set up the SmartThings app, just go to SmartThings on your phone, go to your TV, close the remote, and then you should see camera sharing. Okay, so select that. That's going to launch your phone's camera and mirror your phone's camera to the TV, as you can see. Okay, so there is my phone's camera. Now that you have that ready, you want to either set up your phone on a tripod and put it close to your TV so it can have a good look at you and you can see yourself properly on the TV. So now that you have that set up and ready to go, you can now grab your remote once again and then go to the bottom of the page there and select workout multi-view preset. So if you select that, then that's going to divide your screen, and then it's going to open YouTube by default on this side and open some workouts, and then on this other side you can actually see yourself using your phone's camera. You can actually see the phone right there in the corner, and that's what you're seeing here. Okay, so here now you can switch between the two feeds. As you can see, you can switch to that one and switch to that one. Now if you want to operate this feed and maybe select your own workout, then you need to have it selected and then long press on the selection button. When it turns green, it means now you can operate YouTube from in there. So you can now go ahead and search for a specific workout that you want. So let's say, for instance, you want this workout. So you can select that. And once it starts, you can now look at the workout on this side of the screen, and then you can work out looking at yourself and looking whether you're doing the correct thing, as you can see. So there you go. So that's basically how to do a workout setup, or how to set up a workout with video feed on your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.